Hey guys, my name is Umang. Welcome to a new video. So today in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can learn programming language from your smartphone. So let's start the video.
You should take it slow.
So you have to download this application called Programming Hub. So you can easily find it on Play Store, and also I'll given the link in the description. Okay. So let's open the application. So at the bottom you have three options. First is home, the second one is learn, and the third one is pro. So first we talk about home page. So at the home page you can find all the courses of IT skills like C language, C++, Java, Python, and also you can find Android development, iOS development, UI UX design, and many more IT skills over here. So as you can see, there is lots of courses are available. So if you want to learn any courses, just click on that course, and you can find some description over here. What will I learn, and a salary or something. So you can just click on enroll now option at the bottom. So after clicking on that button, you can see your course is started.
Hello.
So as you can see, it's a speech text to speech enable. Okay, so let's continue.
Where are you looking at? Hey, I am talking to you. Look at me. I am the interface of this app. Okay, application.
Okay, so as you can see, there is the text to speech option here, so you can learn easily with this application. So I quit now. So let's talk about pro version. So pro version is basically for who want to learn extra IT skills. So there is three pack available: 1 month pack, yearly pack, and lifetime pack. So I recommended you, if you have budget for lifetime pack, you can go for that. Okay. So lifetime pack is just for 1950 rupees. Okay. So let's talk about learn option. As you can see, there are your all courses which you added for learn, that is available on the learn option below. Okay, so that is application. You can learn any programming language or IT skill at home with this application. So you can find this application on Play Store. Otherwise I'll given the link in the description below, so check out the description. Okay.